officially an hour away from Denver now. We've been driving the last 7 hours through nothing but farmland. We got up this morning and left Jackson Hole. We're headed to Denver right now, and we're staying the next 2 nights there with a good buddy of mine from high school named Nick. He was also one of our groomsmen in me and Cian's wedding. And I don't think that we've seen Nick in, Cian and I were trying to do the math, and I want to say the last time we saw him was like 7 or 8 years ago, which is totally insane. So super excited to see him. And like I said, we're gonna hang out there for a couple of nights, and then we're gonna stay a quick night in Cody, and then spend the whole next day in Yellowstone. So really jazzed to get up there. So we're 3 days into this 8-day road trip, and we'll be, like I said, we're gonna be in Denver in an hour, and looking forward to just kind of hanging out with some old friends and relaxing a little bit. Finally made it out to Colorado, and I am hanging out with my good friend Nick. Nick and I have actually known each other since high school, so we've known each other for quite a while. I'm not going to tell you how long that's actually been, but it's been a minute, right?
Been a minute.
Got up early, drove out to Boulder, and now, as you can see behind me, these are the flat irons. They're absolutely gorgeous. So we parked at the bottom and did the hike. The hike's a pretty gnarly, steep hike. How long do you think it took us to get up here?
Probably a good hour 10, hour 15.
Hour 10, hour 15.
Yeah.
You'll definitely get a sweat and a workout, but once you get up here, the view is absolutely breathtaking. So if you guys get a chance to get out to Colorado, definitely cruise out to Boulder and hit up the Flatirons. It's an awesome place to hike. So we're gonna hang out here for a little bit longer and take a couple more pictures and get our catch our breath again, and then we're gonna head back down. And what are we gonna do next, Nick?
Well, there's UC Boulder, the college campus is just right down at the bottom of the hills here. Great little area down Pearl Street. Lots of good restaurants, other cool little breweries. It's a college town, so there's just tons of people watching, street performers down on the street, things of that nature. So it's a cool spot. So
maybe hit up some breweries.
Yeah, of course, in Colorado.
Drink a couple more beers. So I would say after a hike like this, do yourself a favor and rehydrate with some nice fresh
hops and ales,
Colorado brewed craft beer. So yeah. we're gonna go do that now, and we'll catch you guys later on as we hang out a little bit more in Denver. Thanks again. And now we are hanging out in Nick's amazing backyard.
Wow.
Drinking beers, lighting fires, controlled fires.
Things you do in my chimney. Yeah. Don't
Jeez
worry,
Louise.
It just
Barbecuing some meats. Barbecuing all the meats. What
Yeah.
else? What else we gonna do tonight?
get naked.
We're not getting naked.
Oh. That was in the invite, and you accepted.
You might be getting naked.
No.
If I do get naked, it will
Well,
be to,
we have
it'll be to bathe.
amazing cornhole sets
by myself.
that we like to play
Not with
cornhole
Nick.
around here. It's
Easily.
one of our favorite things to do.
Cornhole.
We like beer, and hula hoops, and
Not
naked.
hula hoops.
I already said naked.
Not
so,
naked. So
Anyway,
anyway,
I'm running out of options.
So now we made it to the greater part of the evening in Denver. We're hanging out with Nick
Yep.
at Nick and Anthony's house.
Yep.
That's Anthony.
He's a PNW,
PNW.
Pacific Northwest.
There you
driver.
go.
It's true.
PNW. PNW original that now lives that is now relocated to
PNW.
the
area.
Denver squad.
Yeah.
So hey guys, so we're finally out at Yellowstone National Park. Last night we stayed in Cody, Wyoming, and we got up this morning and came in through the east entrance of the park. So we've been driving around the park, so we're taking the long way around and doing the giant loop. Pretty much driving all the way up almost to the Montana border.